Welcome to video instruction how to assemble your ladder. You will receive metal rods, nuts with 2 wrenches and screws, and also written instruction, and ladder itself and steps. And this is a final look how it's supposed to be. The ladder comes with pre-drilled holes on each side. So you put the rod in straight through and secure it with the nuts and couple of wrenches. Just make it tight. And same thing under each ladder steps. And this ladder is 12-degree angled, and we do offer different angles and different heights, and also different width, 16, 18. We also offer different type of wood: teak, oak, pine, and cherry. And this is it. Thank you for watching.